Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National United English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, word meaning English to Bangla. And this is the fourth class of your annual examinations. Okay, so my dear students, let us start the class. But before that, see class Junior 1, subject English, topic word meaning English to Bangla, lecture 4. Teacher Ariful Islam, messenger, and this is mobile number. As there is no SW today, so I will not give no SW today. Okay, so today's topic is word meaning English to Bangla. Last class we learned word meaning English to English. We learned happy. Instead of, if I say I am happy, instead of the word happy, I can say I am cheerful. So we learned happy, English to English, word meaning we wrote cheerful. So happy, instead of happy we can say cheerful. I am happy, I can say I am cheerful. If I say I have a lot of pens, instead of lot we can say many. So if I say I have a lot of pens, instead of lot, instead of the word lot, we can say I have many pens. So this is the word meaning English to English. Happy, cheerful, lot, many. Today's class, this one, look at the word mother. So mother is the English word. We will write in Bangla, ma. So instead of mother in Bangla, we can say ma. Instead of pen, we can say in Bangla column. So this is the word meaning English to English. In the exam, this word will come and you have to write the meaning in English. This is called word meaning English to English. And word meaning English to Bangla, the English word will come and you have to write the meaning in Bangla. Like mother, ma, pen, column. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. Look at the first word, park. So we know the word park. We know Ramna Park. You all know. So instead of park, we can write in Bangla Uddan. So Doja Fala Akar Dontana. So the Bangla meaning of park is Uddan. So Doja Fala Akar Dontana. Number 2, next one, favorite. You say my favorite toys, my favorite food, my favorite books. So what is the meaning of favorite in Bangla? We can say priyo. Rosoi Porafala Untistya. Priyo. So what is the Bangla meaning of favorite? This is priyo. Okay. Number 3, look at the word vase. What is a vase? We keep flower in the vase. So what is the Bangla meaning of vase? It will be Fuldani. For Roshu Law Full Dani. Doyakar Roshoikar Dontana. So vase is the English word. In Bangla we can say full dani. So number 4, look at the word shop. Shop means in Bangla we can say dokan. We go to shop for buying books, pens, erasers and many things, chocolates also. So what is the Bangla meaning of shop? Shop means dokan. Doyokar Koyakar Dontana. Dokan. So what is the Bangla meaning of shop? Dokan. Next one, number 5, aeroplane. Did you see the aeroplane? Someone also fly maybe. So aeroplane means Urojahaz. The aeroplane is an English word. Its Bangla meaning is Urojahaz. So spelling Urojahaz, Rosho, Doshner Okar, Urojahaz. Jo Akar, Ho Akar, and Ja. So aeroplane, Urojahaz. As aeroplane flies, that's why Uro. Uro means English fly. That's why Urojahaz. Okay. We'll move to next one. Ship. Ship means, ship is English word and Bangla spelling is Jahaz. Joakar, Hoakar, Jahaz. So why ship only Jahaz? As ship doesn't fly, that's why there is no Uro before the word. So ship Jahaz. An aeroplane Urojahaz. Aeroplane flies. That's why Urojahaz. And ship doesn't fly. That's why only Bangla spelling Jahaz. Next one, very common word, Zoo. We know the Mirpur Zoo. So Mirpur Zoo, in Bangla we can say Mirpur Chiriakhana. So Zoo means Chiriakhana. Choroshoy, Doshner Roshoy, Chiri A, Untisto Akar, Khoy Akar, No Akar. Chiriakhana. So Zoo is the English word. It's Bangla spelling Chiriakhana. Next one, very important, afternoon. Very common word, afternoon. We play in the afternoon. Okay. So afternoon is English word. Its Bangla is Bikal. Spelling Boroshoy Koakar La. So afternoon is English word. Its Bangla spelling is Bikal. Bangla meaning is Boroshoy Koakar La. Bikal. Number 9, pillow. It's a very common word. We sleep at night on the pillow. So pillow is English word. Its Bangla meaning is balish. Boekar, loekar, talibosha. So pillow is English word. Its Bangla meaning is balish. Next one, very common word, school. We go to school. We are not going to school now because this pandemic situations, but we are watching this class. Okay. So school means Bidyalay. Spelling of Bidyalay, Boyakar, Do Jafala Akar, Law, Untistyo. So school, the Bangla meaning Bidyalay. So we are repeating again word meaning English to Bangla. Number 1, park. Bangla meaning Uddan. Favorite, Priyo, vase, Fuldani, shop, Dokan, aeroplane, Urojahaz. Next one, sheep, Jahaz, Zoo, Chiriakhana, afternoon, Bikal, pillow, balish, school, Bidyalay. So we are again repeating. Number 1, park, Bangla meaning Uddan. Favorite, Priyo. Vase, Fuldani. Shop, Dokan. Aeroplane, Urojahaz. Sheep, Jahaz. Zoo, Chiriakhana. Afternoon, Bikal. Pillow, balish. School, Bidyalay. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. But let me say one thing, you have to submit all your SW copies on Sunday within 8 am to 2 pm. I have no SW to this class, but before this class I have given 2 SW. Submit all your SW because we will give CT and SBA mark on the submission, on the basis of the submission of the SW. So my dear student, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay home. Stay well. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.